Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for your health: iron absorption. It's not just about eating iron-rich foods, but also about making sure your body can actually absorb and use that iron effectively. Iron helps create red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. Without enough iron, you can develop iron deficiency anemia, leading to fatigue and weakness. Stick around to learn how you can supercharge your iron intake with these 7 essential tips. Ready to optimize your iron levels? Let's go! Let's kick things off with vitamin C, a true superhero when it comes to iron absorption. Think of vitamin C as iron's best friend, helping it get absorbed more easily in your gut. Vitamin C changes the chemical form of iron, making it more readily available for your body to use. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice over your spinach salad, toss some bell peppers into your stir-fry, or enjoy a juicy orange alongside your iron-rich meal. Even a small glass of orange juice with your breakfast cereal can make a difference. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember to pair iron-rich foods with a good source of vitamin C. Now let's talk about coffee and tea. These beverages contain compounds called polyphenols, which can interfere with iron absorption. Polyphenols bind to the iron in your gut, making it harder for your body to absorb. But don't worry, you don't need to give up your morning coffee or afternoon tea completely. Timing is key here. Try to avoid consuming coffee or tea at least an hour before and after your iron-rich meals. Enjoy your favorite beverages at a time that won't compromise your iron levels. Let's move on to a tip that's close to my heart: cooking with cast iron. Not only does cast iron cookware add a delicious, rustic flavor to your food, but it can also boost your iron intake. When you cook food in cast iron, especially acidic foods like tomato sauce, a small amount of iron actually leaches from the pan into your food. The amount of iron absorbed from cookware might be small, but over time, it can make a significant difference. So, dust off those cast iron skillets and start cooking your way to better iron absorption. Next up, let's talk about calcium. Calcium is crucial for strong bones and teeth, but it can compete with iron for absorption in your gut. This doesn't mean you need to avoid calcium altogether. If you're having a meal that's rich in iron, try to avoid consuming large amounts of calcium at the same time. For example, don't wash down your iron-fortified cereal with a tall glass of milk. It's all about creating balance and giving your body the best chance to absorb both nutrients effectively. Chapter 5: Heme iron, your body's best source. Now let's talk about the different types of iron found in food. There's heme iron and non-heme iron. Heme iron is found in animal products like meat, poultry, and fish, and your body absorbs it much more easily than non-heme iron. Think of heme iron as the VIP of the iron world. It has a higher absorption rate because it's already in a form that your body can readily use. Lean red meat, especially beef, is a particularly good source of heme iron. Poultry like chicken and turkey, and fish, especially shellfish, also contribute to your heme iron intake. Chapter 6: Soaking and sprouting, unlocking iron power. For all my plant-based eaters out there, don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you. While plant-based sources of iron may not be as readily absorbed as heme iron, there are ways to enhance their absorption. One effective method is soaking and sprouting grains, legumes, and seeds. Soaking and sprouting help break down phytates, making the iron more available for your body to use. So next time you're preparing beans, lentils, or quinoa, try soaking them overnight and see the difference it makes. Chapter 7: Iron supplements. When and how. While it's always best to get nutrients from whole food sources, sometimes supplementation may be necessary. If you're concerned about your iron levels, consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine if you need a supplement, and if so, what type and dosage are right for you. Iron supplements come in different forms, and some forms are more easily absorbed than others. Your doctor can guide you toward the best option for your individual needs. Remember, iron supplements are not a substitute for a healthy diet. Your journey to better iron absorption starts now. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Optimizing your iron absorption is a journey, and small changes can make a big difference over time. Be patient with yourself, listen to your body, and enjoy all the delicious foods that contribute to your overall well-being. Stay healthy and see you next time.